Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla Development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can uh, actually manage the accessibility for the actions and options list attribute inside Horilla List View. So in the last video, we have configured the options method. Before that, we have configured the action method too. So let's reset them to the uh, actions and options list attribute. So let's comment the action method and the option method. So using the action method, you can directly manage the accessibility inside the template. Basically, you have the old right inside the template. So for the options and actions, there is a function called there is a key called accessibility. Inside the accessibility, we will provide a path to the function. Basically, that will be written true or false. That will be returning true or false. If it's written true for a request coming from any user, it will be showing the uh, I mean action, basically edit or delete to the user. So let's see how it's actually work. So here's the accessibility. When it go into the show to the accessibility, is currently returning true. When it's print the request inside the show to edit or requested user, it will be printing the currently logged in user for all the records available inside the list view. Going to the browser, when I refresh, okay, the actions and options is now showing, not the option method and action method. And okay, okay, let's refresh. Sorry, let's refresh the server, restart the server. And yeah, refresh over here. When we check on the when you check on the terminal, here you can see the print is now coming. So uh, 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 here for now I'm going to provide the show edit access. Like if the user is a super admin, then only the edit button and the delete button is need to be shown. In that case, request dot so user dot is super user. Is it a function? No, it's a field available inside the user model. We can check with multiple user. Refresh over here. Yeah, currently it will be available for the Arden Lewis. Here you can see the let's check. The action is now showing. Basically, the edit accessibility to edit is mapped with the actions list for the edit and for the delete. So for the edit and delete is now using same function. Maybe in your case it will be different. Then you just have to create the function inside your methods app, methods for sorry, methods file inside your custom app, or somewhere you prefer. Then you have to map the app uh, from the app path to the function. The path you have to mention over here. Then yeah, the function will return true or false value, boolean value. So according to the request, you can you can uh, check whether the user is accessible or not. Also the instance, you will be getting different records coming inside the list view. Okay, you have to note these are the arguments coming from the accessibility. So first one is request, then the instance inside the list view, and the user perms, all the permission the user have, and additionally args and cogs will be uh, accessible inside the this function. Now when we refresh, you can see the each shift request is showing, and also the uh, request to the user is also available. Now let's log in with a different user that is not a super user. We go to employees. Let's search for Abigail. Okay, now let's log in with Abigail email and account. Local host 8000. Abigail, and the password will be mobile number. Okay, now when we come to the custom map, shift request. So you can see the action item is empty. You can see the action item is not visible. So this is how you can use the accessibility. When we check the admin page again, and inside the custom app menu, custom shift request, you can see the action is still available. Yeah, basically the actions accessibility or the option accessibility is used in the cases some like for particular users they have uh, some edit permission, but they don't have delete permission. In that case you can make use of this accessibility. I hope you understand this video. If you have any queries doubt, you can reach to us, or you can directly comment down this video. Thank you for watching.